So let's start on your first JavaScript tutorial. JavaScript is always embedded in a HTML web page. So I've already put in the basic parts of a HTML web page: HTML, header and body. Remember, the body is what appears in the main page. And then there's two new tags of which we've just introduced here: script and end script. These two new tags are to tell the browser what comes between these is in fact JavaScript and not HTML. And most browsers, if not all current browsers, understand how to translate, or the word is interpret, JavaScript. In simple terms, put all your JavaScript between a script and end script tag. We're going to see a little bit more on that in later tutorials, but that's it for now. So I've got my two script tags. So now I can put some JavaScript between these. Let's start off with a very basic JavaScript statement. Document.write, and I'm going to do the classic hello world. Hello world, it's me. There you go. Always end a JavaScript statement with a semicolon. Some browsers will run the JavaScript without it, but it's good practice. And when you write more complex JavaScript code, it is needed. So I've got one line of JavaScript ended by a semicolon. That's all I need. I'm going to save it. By the way, I'm in Notepad++. If you're in Notepad++, I should have said swap your language to HTML. Because although it's JavaScript, it's embedded in HTML, and then you get it correctly formatted. If you're in Notepad, then just enter the code as normal. Save your file. And now I'm going to run it. I'm in Notepad++, so it does give me the option of running it straight into the browser from here. And there you go. Not particularly fascinating, but that is a web page, and it said, hello me, hello world, should I say, it's me, Paul. And that is all we've actually got in that simple line of code. By the way, if you are in just in Notepad and not Notepad++, when you save your file, like any HTML, any web page, you go to the folder you've saved it to. So I've saved it here, and you just double click on it to run it, and it will run the JavaScript that you've actually written. You can have some other simple statements. There's another one called alert, which will give us a little pop-up button. So let's just see what that does. We get a little pop-up comes up, and it's just an alert, and it's the same text in there. Couple of things before you try it yourself. So you've got the script tags, you've got document.write, you've got very many statements which you're going to learn over a number of different tutorials. But that isn't spelled too well, is it? Document.write hello world, and you've got a semicolon to finish it. That's the basic way JavaScript is entered in a web page. If you want to try that now, so just put your basic HTML, put it into a file and put it to script tags, try that. Then afterwards you might try the same thing with alerts, but get rid of the document.write. I'm just putting it in here for you to see the two side by side, but I have a statement. You can try those, and then you've got your first basic JavaScript tutorial. Good luck.